Hey guys, I am at Taj Getaway Bekal. It's a new property built in the last 2 years, and behind me is the backwater. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's the cottage and backwater. I'm going to cover the whole property and the room that we've taken. So this will give you an idea before booking the property, if you like it, what are the goods, what are the bads, whether it's something that matches your vibe. So I'm going to go through it as I stay here, and you can get both the videos in our channel. There will be separate video for the room and a separate video for the property. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Happy beach vacation. This is the area near the reception. This is the reception building. Your car will drop you at this reception, and the cottages start from here. And on the in front of the reception, this big lawn is there. It's very long. You can see the you can't even see the end. So this is very long. Here is where the high tea also happens at around 4:30 till 5:30, I think. And all across that side is the backwater, from starting of the property to the end. And that's quite a bit, maybe 500 meters, or maybe I'm miscalculating, but it is quite a bit of walk. All along the property is there, the backwater is there all along. But there's a road there that you can walk, and people also jog on that road. It's a very beautiful place there. That's where you can do the boating also. Ships. Just zooming in, that is the backwater area all along. You'll be able to see it better here. This is the room. This room is on 4th floor. It has view to the backwaters at Taj Bekal. I'll show you the room. Once you get in, there is some space here. You can keep the shoes, and there you have cupboards. These are cupboards which have openings like this. So since this is a beach area, it's just sweaty, so I found this very useful for hanging your clothes and still getting aired out. But you don't have to air it out in the room, which looks terrible. On the left is the washroom. So over here, it's nice, spacious. You have a lot of space. I saw functionality was good. So you have this place to hang your shirts, etc., if you wanted to. And if you see the space, there's enough space here, room. Lots of place under the sink to keep stuff if you need. Toiletries. It's a nice big mirror. There's a mirror for makeup, and there's your washroom. This window is a nice addition to, you can keep the lights on in the washroom and turn off the lights in the room. This works as your night lamp. They have night lamps separately, but I found this to work better. And here you have there's a mat given so you don't slip, and the bathroom settings. There's a shampoo and a body wash given there from the brand Inara. Previously Taj used to give Forest Essential for all tiers, but I think recently they've made this change. There's also a soap, hand soap. Now I like this woodwork. I think this must be native to Kerala. There's a stand for keeping your suitcases. There's TV, and again lots of place. If you see these cupboards, each of them, this has the mini fridge. This has the mini fridge inside. Each of these cupboards have a lot of place. So one more space is below, and that has two like that. Very nice frame, nice Indian woodwork frame done around the TV. There's a big study there, go there later. Here you have a full sized mirror, which I really like. Many people miss this many times. So if someone is in the washroom, it's difficult to get ready. So this, I think, functionality wise is an important part. This is a table where you can eat, and there's a sofa looking over the TV. So you can watch the sofa, watch the TV from the sofa like at home. And there are two bedside tables, again with enough space. So these are quite big, and you can keep stuff here too. So space wise, I say functionality and space wise it's quite good, and they have used a lot of artwork and material that generally exists in Indian culture. There's a seat, and this is the place for work. This is quite big. I have kept my suitcase here, but this is quite big with charging points. You also have charging points on bedside, both bedside tables. And this is, I'll show you back view. This is the view from the room. This is the veranda, beautiful veranda. We love going and sitting there in the morning. There are two curtains if you don't want, you want to pull them, want some extra privacy. But the room is also well situated. It's nobody can mostly see in your room. So actually have enough privacy. You can leave the curtains open, but if you want it to be dark or something, there's a blinding curtain. The one at the back and the one in front is semi sheer, so some light comes in. Show you the veranda. Veranda is beautiful, like the tiles, everything. So here, this is a warm place. It's beachside. It's hot. Like this is April. Sorry, we are just start of April. There are two seats here. You can very easily sit there. And look at the tile selection. This is olden day Indian house used to have these tiles, and they are beautiful. They're beautifully matching with the grills that they have, and this red brick like this. I'll show you the cottages also from here. I like the aesthetic here. And then you have, this is like a semi sofa. This is very comfortable. I loved sitting on this. And table, so you have tea, coffee every morning. The temperature very comfortable right in the morning, early mornings and late evenings, and not much of mosquitoes, so you can actually enjoy the outdoors. Now here I even like the grill design. Now here you can see the kind of view that you're getting from here. I mean, you're not looking over the backwater directly, but if you look, these cottages also look very pretty. These cottages, red cottages, are part of the property, and beyond that, the water that you see, that is part of the backwater. Both sides I will show you. So this cottage is part of, these cottages are all part of the property. So right beside the backwater, this property is there. So the water that you see over here, the backwater that you're seeing, you can see birds from here, small birds. And right now, I think with the sun being bright, the birds have gone in. I can see a few swallows, but early morning there's lots and lots of birds, and you can hear that sound, you know, that beautiful rhythm and songs of various types of birds. So there's a blue-tailed bee-eater here, many of that. I could get a close-up shot, and bulbul, many of them are sitting right in front. These trees, they were right here, we could see it very easily. There were a few other birds we saw. So about 6, 7, I have not seen the kingfisher yet, surprisingly. This is a water body, but it is also named as to be one of the species found here. I'm not sure which kingfisher, might be the common one or some other species, but yeah, that's another one. So, fairly very nicely done room. I liked it. Seeing the height of the cottages, I don't know if they are getting a view to the backwater, but I think not, because we are on 4th floor and most of these cottages are about like up to 2nd floor. So, I think the room that we are in actually has better view. I enjoyed how this is well done, the verandas, and many of the cottages are actually inside facing. They have like more than one row of cottages. So, the cottages on the front of the backwater might have some view, but then again due to height there will be some kind of blockage. It will be difficult. And the beach, you have to, it's about a kilometer from here, so you have to take a car or something to go, or you can walk down if you are willing to. It's narrow road is good, but it's narrow through various residential properties. And Gateway also has a certain part which they are saying private access to the beach. There is just a small part that they have access. There is a security person from Gateway, Taj, there, and if you can go there with your own vehicle, they will allow you access. Only residents are going there, so it's slightly calm. You can enjoy a nice sunset over there. It was nice. I would also suggest go visit the Bekal beach park. It's lots of fun activities, different types of birds. You hear some birds here. So there was some bird which just called up there. So lots of birds here and lots of nature. You will enjoy the walk. I saw many people doing morning walks. The sun was out about around 8:30 a.m. Soft sun. By 10 it's quite hot. So if you are not somebody who likes being in a lot of sun, that will be difficult for you. But look at this view. This is like postcard Kerala view with the backwater and the coconut trees. See, these are all coconut trees, each of these. So that's like a forest of coconut trees, and you can't see the water there, but between that coconut tree and between, like if you see here, you can see the water in between. So there's that backwater there. You can even go for boating in the backwater. There's paddle boating. It's separately charged, about 300 per head. So paddle boating is there, kayaking is there. It's a very nice calming experience. If you've gone to a backwater ride in Kerala, you know it's very calming. Soft breeze will come and hit you in the water, and it's cool. It's like naturally air conditioned, and you will love it. And the paddle boat even has like a shade, so you will not feel the sun as much. It's a very nice, calming, relaxing thing. And the paddle boat is also quite modified. It was I have done paddle boating 20 years back, which used to be a lot of effort. These are much better. This was quite doable with 2 people paddling. So overall, I've also covered the whole property separately in another video, so you can check that out in case you're coming to Bekal and want to stay here. You will get some idea of the property before you book it. If you need any other help, feel free to comment below, and I'm happy to help. Bekal.